Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're a ServiceNow developer struggling with scripting, you're definitely not alone. Today I want to share some insights on how to level up your scripting skills. You see, for the past 3 years, I've worked as a ServiceNow developer. While I'm comfortable with the platform's basic functionalities, I often find myself blanking out when it comes to actual scripting. Every time a development task is assigned, I feel overwhelmed and unsure where to start. One technique that can help is using pseudo-code. Instead of diving straight into syntax, try writing out what you want your code to do in plain language. This approach allows you to focus on the logic of what you want to accomplish. Even if you forget the exact syntax, you can search for small pieces of what you need. Think of coding like a word problem. If you can't articulate what the code should do, it's going to be tough to write it. So, get comfortable with explaining your goals first. For example, get all the incident records. Then loop through each of them. Finally, update the location field. I can tell you that many developers fall into tutorial hell. You might end up forgetting what you learned just like I did. To truly improve, you should invest time in understanding JavaScript deeply. Remember, practice makes perfect. Remember, coding isn't about memorizing everything. Even with my experience, I often find myself looking up basic things in the community. Here's my advice. Write pseudo-code to break down tasks. Practice regularly. Research snippets you find online. Play around with them in your own dev instance. Experiment with changes and see how they affect the code. Abandon the mindset that you need to know everything before you start. Treat each task like a puzzle to solve step by step. By doing this, you'll build your confidence and push through that initial panic. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tips on becoming a better ServiceNow developer.